Fix iPhone stuck on support.apple.com. Let's get started. It usually indicates that the device is in recovery mode, often caused by a failed update or corrupted system file. Start by attempting a force restart. Press and release the volume up button. Press and release the volume down button. Then press and hold the side, power button until the Apple logo appears. If this doesn't work, connect your iPhone to a computer and open iTunes. You should see your device in recovery mode with options to either restore or update. Select Update first to reinstall iOS without erasing data. If that doesn't work, select Restore, which will erase all data and reinstall iOS. If neither option works, you may need to use DFU, Device Firmware Update mode. Connect your phone to the computer, press and release the volume up button, press and release the volume down button, press and hold the side button until the screen goes black, then press and hold the volume down button while continuing to hold the side button for 5 seconds. iTunes or Finder will then detect the device in DFU mode, and you can restore it. If these steps don't resolve the issue, it's best to contact Apple support or visit an Apple store for further help, as you may be dealing with a hardware problem. If you found this video useful, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe. Thanks for watching.